Monster.
Mastermind Entertainment. Yeah. Young Bonnie, aka D-Sam. Here's a little something to let these niggas know that I'm back. I'm more focused, more determined, I ain't cutting no slack. Man, I'm bodying these beats and I'm leaving them flat. I'm about to knock it out the park like I'm swinging a bat. But I'm rocking the mic, I'm never putting it down. Don't be surprised if your girlfriend looking around. I'm Jeremy Lin off the bench, homie, look at me now. But the only difference is I ain't Brooklyn bound. I'm VA all day, homie, this is a fact. I done infiltrated the zone, I ain't giving it back. I done perfected the flow, let me finish the wax. Let it shine, let it shine, let it glisten and yeah. I'm a beast, it ain't hard to tell. Got bars like I just got released from jail. Probably cause I just got released from jail. I'm smoking and I don't need T's for L's. Wait, let me catch my breath. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, ripping, running, gunning, trying to be successful fast. Cause time is ticking and I'm tripping for my structural path. I gotta make it with this music like it's next to last. Otherwise, back to stuff and back to stacking grass. In 10th grade, I used to get the whole pass and dash. Smoking butts with my niggas, not going back to class. I look back at these niggas and shit, sit back and laugh. And never pay attention to haters, they snatching ass. They say the world population is expanding fast. That mean more cash is circulating, which I have to have. Man, I'm beating up this beat, it's combative rap. And I'ma make it if I say it, nigga, that's a fact. Ronnie running from a nigga, man, imagine that. Some niggas shoot the one, some niggas rather grab a gat. Some niggas do they fucking time, but some rather rat and get they ass stretched out like a Cadillac. Yeah. Yeah. Let me catch my breath one more time. Yeah. Okay, cash on my mind, and I don't plan on changing it. If she don't get the picture, I might fuck around and frame the bitch. I'm a soldier boy, but you would never see me crank this shit. And when I hit the beat, it's going down like an anchor is. Wake up in the morning, it's straight piss excellence. Life is a bitch, I make you, I just need the pressure, man. She's a Wonder Woman, cause she keep having sex for bread. Flow so retarded like I learned to rap in special ed. Fresher than the freshest, don't contest it, you'll be mad as hell. I don't see no liberty, that's probably why they cracked the bell. Another day, another dollar, well, that's how we go in jail. Your girlfriend spilling her guts like she about to blow a L. I'm such a dog with animalistic tendencies. Everything you other suckers pretend to be. Ain't no stopping the money that we are finna see. You stole the flow, what else you want? My identity. I've been a beast since a young and now I'm better though. I only want her booty like a pirate and you treasure hoes. Put the motherfucking number 34 next to 4. Danville, Virginia, little nigga had to let you know. We the next to blow, mastermind bomb squad. You other niggas clowns and cops like Paul Blart. So dope, make the haters call nuts. And I came home safe like the fucking ballpark. 18 years on this world so hectic. Mastermind got variety like Tex Mix. I still serve, not the kind at breakfast. Now I treat the world kinda similar to my next chick. Hit it then quit it, pop a bean and go ham. Sincerely signing off, young Ronnie D-Sam. Sincerely signing off, young Ronnie D-Sam. Sincerely signing off, young Ronnie D-Sam. Mastermind, motherfucker. Don't call it a comeback, man. Call it to come up. It's what it is. Mastermind Entertainment. Shout out boy, shout out Peanut, shout out PA